Friends, welcome again. In this video, we are going to upload a photo to the post. So we in the video before we make a CRUD with a post of create, read, update, and delete post. So in this video, we are going to upload the photo to the post. So first thing, we need a Docker open. Open the Visual Studio Code. Here we are in the example CRUD. We make a it the index to show the post sold. Create the post, store to store the post. We don't have this one, the show method, but we have the edit post, the update, and the destroy. Okay, so first thing, we need to run the sail app, and inside the posts table I'm going to add a new column. Sorry, if I write correctly, string, and I'm going to give a name image, new lab. Save new lab is for if we don't put anything, it's no problem. Now we need to migrate again to refresh the tables in this application because we add the image. If I open the table plus and we see we don't have example CRUD or CRUD, yeah, CRUD. Okay, inside the post we have a user ID, title, description. We don't have this image, so we're going to add this image here. Sail, migrate, flash or refresh, refresh. Oh, sorry. Sail. I forget the artisan command. Good. I go here, refresh now. We don't have nothing, but I have the image inside the post table. We don't have the user, we need to register. So if I go to the localhost, good. If I go to the post, if I go to the post.create, we are going to login page because we are not registered, not authenticated account. So go to the register, add new user, test, and test.com. Okay, close. Now if I go to the post, create a post, we don't have the column tab the file upload, so inside the post.create here we have, I think I'm going to zoom, maybe you don't see very good, so I think it's good now. We have the title, the description, and I need one for the, copy this one for the file. So file here or photo. Okay, type is going to be file, name is going to be image, and for image. Okay, we don't need placeholder. Good. To remove this one because Tailwind CSS is many classes here. If I save, go in here, refresh. Okay, we have this choose file, and we are going to choose a file here, but we are not ready yet because we need inside the form. Why isn't it? Now if I save, sorry, we need to go to the controller, and inside the store method we have the user, and we are going to check if we have a file. So I'm going to open a tab inside the Laravel documentation to search for a request, and inside file we have here. So this is one. You need to determine if a file is present on the request using the hasFile method. So this is the boolean. If we have a file, is true. Otherwise, is false. Okay. Now, if we have the file, so request has file, and we give a name image, we're going to put the image is going to be sorry. If we have an image, we're going to give a name, image, I go here and check for how to get the name of the file. I think we don't have here. If I go here and if we have a image, I'm going to dump file to see what we're going to have. I save, refresh here, choose. I'm going to download an image of Laravel 8, okay, or this one. Okay, so if I go here, start to download Laravel PNG, open. If I save now, okay, we have original name, MIME type, original name and MIME type. Okay, so if I go here now, I'm going to give a name. Again, client original name. So if I save and then dump of a image name, save, refresh, again Laravel, open. We have the name now here. Okay, and we're going to store the file. So we have the store method, or store as, because we need the name to give the name as the name. So okay, this one is the exact of this one. If we have file photo, it's with this image and save as. So this was the method to save with the file name, and we need the path where we're going to store inside the posts, I want to say, and we give the name of the image name, and the directory is going to be inside the public. Public directory is inside the storage app. Public here. This is going to store the image. So if we have the image, I'm going to oh no, sorry, I'm going to give this a name. Null here, and here I'm going to give the okay. Don't need the path now. And inside here is going to be the I do this because if we don't have a post, we have the image and it's going to be null. If we have a post, so the image is going to have the name we give here. If we have an image, we're going to instantiate this image with the name of the image, otherwise we have null. So if I save now, go to the create, title, description, inside the Laravel, open, save as, does not exist. What? Sorry, store as, no save as. Save, go here, refresh. We are inside the post. We have created the post. I go here and refresh. We have a post with a user ID of 1, title, description, and image is going to be null. Why? Because we don't have a so I'm going to then dump against the image to see why we have this. Is null. Why is null? Oh, I put two the same for here. Now if save, create again. We have the image. Good. Save again. Create now. Post with image desk. Choose a file. Laravel PNG. Save. We are inside the post with image. And if we go here, refresh, we have the image here. I want to show the image inside this table. We have the ID title, and I'm going to add another one. This for image, and I'm going to add the image here, and G with source Laravel asset method, and inside the first thing we need to go to Laravel and storage, because we need to run this storage link. Open a terminal and sail. Okay, now we have the storage link from here to the storage public. So here we have the storage, but This is the symbol you see here. Okay, here we have. Okay, now inside the public directory, and we have the image where we have the image. Okay, inside the public we have the posts, and after that we need the image. If I save, refresh, refresh again. Why we don't have this one? If I save now, okay, asset storage, okay, asset, say save now. Okay, we have the post with the image. We don't need that. I want to add the class age of 12 and width 12. If I save, refresh, no, too small, 32, save, refresh now, 24, sorry, 24, 24, save, refresh. Okay, we have the image here, but if we don't have the image, I don't want to show the, so inside this, I'm going to show just only if we have the image. So if image and if save, refresh, okay, I'm going I'm going to add the else condition to say no image. Save, refresh. Okay, we don't have an image here, we have an image over there. Good. We have stored the image, but we want to update the image. So I'm going to inside the edit blade. We need to put the end type multi-part form data and put the label for photo. I also show the image we have inside the edit blade and put the input with name image. So if I go now to the edit blade, we have this one, and inside the post controller now we need to have a post. The image is going to be the post image, because if the post image is null, it's going to be null. If we have a post, if I have an image in this post, this image is going to take that name of the post image. And now if we want to check if we inside the request is file, we have a file with that request. If we have a file with that request, we are going to delete the first image and add another one. So first thing, we are going to check if we have an image inside the post, inside this post. Not inside the request, but inside the posts. Check again, because if you don't have a file here, it's not need to update the image. But if we have and we need to update, we need to destroy the first one and update another one. Okay, again, if we have an image, so if image, I'm going to storage delete and make sure you import this storage up over here. Okay, storage delete and give the path of the image is inside the public directory, inside the posts, and give it the name image. So if we have a post, I'm going to destroy this image. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the we have done here. We inserted this image with a new name of the image from the request. I'm going to store as to the post. And now here inside the update, we need the image field. We need the image field to be the image. Okay. First thing, we need another one inside the post model. We have on the title description we need the image here, okay, because we put inside the update method, and I think we are okay. So we find the post from the URL and we associate the image with the post from this with the image from this post. So okay, so here we have this Laravel PNG. So if we have a image, so this image now for that post is going to be Laravel PNG, but if we don't have a image, it's going to be null. Okay, so now if we have an image from the input here, so if I go here, if we choose a file here and I want to if we choose a file, so I want, and we have an image, because we don't know if we have or not. If we have an image, I want to remove this, and this one now give it a name from the new image. Okay, but if we don't choose an image, I'm going to refresh. So we don't choose the image, but only change the title or the description. We don't do anything with the image. The image is going to be the same, and if we have a null image, we're going to be in the same name, or otherwise it's going to be null. Okay, I think I tried to explain you. So we have the image with Laravel. I'm going to change to the Laravel one. Open, save. We have the another image. If I refresh, we have another name with Laravel one. Okay, now inside this one we don't have image. If I refresh, go to this one, we don't have an image. I just update the title. Okay, nothing changed. Title update. If I now want to add the image, I'm going to give this one update. Now we have the image. Inside here I refresh the ID of one. We have the PNG, Laravel PNG. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is if we destroy a post, I want to also delete the image for that post. So I'm going to just copy this one, put it here, and not the image but post image. If I save this one, so to show you inside the storage post we have two posts, okay, Laravel 1 and Laravel PNG. Laravel PNG is for ID of post with ID of 1, so we have large. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, go refresh, and if I go here, we have only the Laravel one is for this one. Okay, so that's it for the image upload. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, share with the others to support. Thank you very much.